Hi, my name is Hannah Wolfe. I am an assistant professor of computer science at Colby College.
Hi, I'm Alex Bundy. I'm the Director of Software Engineering at the venture technology company Opus Logica.
Hi, I'm Şölen Kıratlı. I'm an architect and a PhD candidate at the Media Arts and Technology program at UC Santa Barbara. Cacophonic Choir is an interactive art installation, and it's about sexual assault survivors and media surge. Various types of mass media, like social media, news media, and so on, can be both empowering, as we saw in the #MeToo movement, but at the same time, they can be toxic environments in which the information is continually distorted and abused. In either case, once a person shares their personal story, the story is oftentimes extremely overwhelming. And this is what we wanted to reflect with our work. The installation is composed of several embodied interactive agents distributed in space. Each agent has the ability to vocalize through a small loudspeaker, and they each tell a story. The interaction is mainly proximity sensor based. From a distance, the participant hears these vocalizations as a kind of distorted murmur, each coming from an opaque membrane. This distortion and opaqueness both gradually yield to clarity as the participant approaches. The agent interface comprises three fundamental components based on different response modalities. The first one is a semantic response, that is, the word generation, rendering the succession of words from incoherent to coherent. The second modality is a sonic modality, that is, granular processing of the speech audio, rendering it from stuttery to clear. And the third one is the morphological modality, allowing for the modulation of the light source, rendering the form inside visible due to the translucent membrane.
She started touching. I noticed he was on my idol, my best friend, and how I was scared to say anything. He got into trouble as I knew I would.
To express how stories of sexual assault are filtered through the news media, the stories that each agent tells is controlled by the distance a visitor is from an agent. When participants are more than 2 meters away, the agent randomly chooses words from a testimonial of a sexual assault survivor assigned to it. As the participant approaches, the words become less random and more coherent. To generate text, long short-term memory recurrent neural network models were pre-trained on over 500 stories of experiences of sexual assault from the When You're Ready project website. For the final installation, we pre-generated text for 65 of the testimonials at each level of semantic clarity, using models trained for longer periods of time to represent closer distances with a greater number of words from the original text as a seed. Once the visitor is less than half a meter away in the agent's personal space, the agent tells the original testimonial. This work was exhibited at Contemporary Istanbul's Plugin exhibition in September 2019. Initially, we were worried that the space we were given was not isolated sonically enough from other works, but it caused an interesting unintended interaction between visitors and the work. To hear the stories clearly, visitors had to be very close to a specific agent and place their ears directly next to it like it was whispering to them, creating a level of intimacy between the agent and the visitor. We can't exhibit Cacophonic Choir as originally planned, so we built a virtual installation of the work using Unity. The virtual version can be experienced online in the browser at cacophonic.net. We will continue exhibiting this work both in the digital and physical modality and plan to study the differences in the way that visitors interact with the work virtually and in person.